Welcome back to Ngana Chengetoi 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media, episode 37, chapter 2. It is a cold winter night and the wind is whistling through the young wheat fields, flowing and hitting hard against the thatched roofs of the maidens' huts. The wind swings the door open and the youngest maiden fights it shut again. Queen Nyaradzo wakes up, breathing hysterically, and orders the maidens to get the medicine elders. It's too early, hurry, she keeps yelling. For in the whispers of the wind, a soft-spoken voice had said to her in her sleep, "He is coming." She had gone 7 months in and did not want to believe that the boy who was supposed to restore her position and the king's love would be taken away from her by the complications of early birth. She was afraid. What if he's coming out dead? What will become of me? How will I hold my household and community together as the queen who failed to deliver her king with many sons? Her mother, who is also a medicine elder, walks in with her acquaintances and places a wet cloth on her forehead. She says, "Do not worry, my daughter. Put these worries away. My grandson, the king, could not wait any longer. He's coming to bring you the joy you have so longed for. Now open your mouth." The queen's mother puts a mixture of fresh and dry herbs under her daughter's tongue and tells her to close her mouth while she sings. The other medicine elders assume their delivery positions, pressing on the queen's feet. Join us tomorrow for more Ngana Chengetoi 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. Thank you.